Today I will tell you about the no frost refrigerator, where ice builds up on the evaporator. And it is also not cooling fine. It is national 40 years old refrigerator. This fridge is still in good condition. When I open and see the fridge cabinet, so much ice has built up inside this fridge cabinet. The no frost refrigerator should have no ice on its evaporator. It's a clear indication that this refrigerator has a problem in it. And see, the homeowner had set the thermostat on 1, which is too low. But still, the refrigerator has ice building on the fridge evaporator. And inside the fridge cabinet, when I remove the storage box, the evaporator has ice entirely formed on the evaporator. And the freezer has also been chocked entirely. And as I have removed its cover, see, the ice has built on the evaporator. Now I will clean this ice, but first of all, I will check why this ice has formed in the refrigerator. When I saw its condenser on its backside, it was also blocked with dirt. This will make the compressor heat up more than usual. And when I am touching it right now, it is overheated. So now I am cleaning its condenser, and I will also clean the condenser by unscrewing it from the back. After cleaning it thoroughly in your case, I hope problem can be solved. See, we have cleaned its whole dust. Now let's check its next problem. The door gasket is essential for the fridge door to get closed properly. If the fridge door closes appropriately, then the refrigerator will work fine. See, it has a gap here in the fridge door gasket. Due to this, the air circulates inside the fridge, and the humidity is gathered inside the fridge evaporator, due to which the refrigerator also not cool. The compressor also runs longer. See, the door has a gap on its downside as well. Now let's get to the third problem of the fridge that could make the ice form up. This black box has a defrost timer inside it, and I will open it from the box. And what does it looks like and test it as well? The timer looks faulty to me. Its coils have heated up. Other than that, it seems not to be working fine, so I will test it. The electricity is passing through the timer. But it isn't very correct. So I went to the workshop and tested it. I have brought a new one for it. When connecting the timer wires with the new one, mark the wires before opening it, as it would take time to find the correct wires for the new one when not labeled before. After changing the timer, I defrosted the refrigerator, and most of the ice melted because its heaters started to work correctly. But the ice from the corner has not melted yet. It should also have been melted. If we leave the fridge without inspecting why the ice from the corners didn't melt, it could cause any problem again. After cleaning this ice from the corners, I will check and start the refrigerator again. See, now I have removed all the ice from its evaporator corners. So the air will circulate better now. But you have to clean its drain as well. This is because the ice will also be frozen in its drain. If you do not clean that ice in the drain, the water will not be able to go out of the refrigerator. This is the fridge drain area, so you must clean it to make the water out easily. The refrigerator is fine now. But you can see a device on this fridge. This is a device used to protect the refrigerator. When I press this red button, the compressor will trip. And to start the fridge again, it needs to be pressed again. And whenever any surge or short circuit is present, the device trips. And always use these safety devices with your appliances, as it will save you and your appliances, making them work a lifetime with you. This is for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Watch our next videos by clicking on the left or right thumbnail on the screen. And subscribe. It's free. Thank you.